Hello, grade 5. After you watch the videos that I've sent to you about the explanation of a compare and contrast paragraph, now we are going to practice together how to fill a graphic organizer by comparing and contrasting two different items, and then we will read on your books the sample that is mentioned in order to show you how to write a compare and contrast paragraph. First of all, we are going to choose two items. In your books, there are two items that are talking about, which are the Burger King and McDonald's. Both of these items are restaurants, okay? So now we are going to see how are they alike. The kind of food is same in both restaurants, and they serve the fast food and they have home delivery. So these two similarities are for the restaurants Burger King and McDonald's. Now we are going to uh, talk about the differences between these two restaurants. Burger King has high prices, okay, while McDonald's has lower prices than Burger King. Burger King's food is healthier than McDonald's food, while McDonald's food is less healthier than Burger King's food. Okay? Now, when we are done with the graphic organizer, we are going to connect all these ideas into a well-organized paragraph using connecting words, writing first of all the topic sentence and then the supporting details which are the similarities and the differences. At the end, we have to write a concluding sentence that gives advice or a suggestion. Okay? Now, as we move to your books, I want you to open page 188. Okay? If you see in the directions, we have to read the sample paragraph, we underline the topic sentence, and then we underline the concluding sentence twice. We have to circle the connecting words. Okay? I will start reading, and then we are going to do these directions together. Although Burger King and McDonald's share some similarities, the differences between these two restaurants are clear. Okay, so here is the topic sentence. From although till clear is the topic sentence. Because we are mentioning that we are going to talk about Burger King and McDonald's similarities and differences. Now we start with the first similarity, okay? Because we mentioned similarities before differences, we start with the similarities. The first thing they have in common is the kind of food. Both Burger King and McDonald's serve fast food, like hamburgers and fries. Okay, so this is the first similarity that we talked about in our graphic organizer. Now, another similarity is in the service. Similarly, they have drive-through and home delivery. Okay? Now we are done with the similarities. Now we move to the differences. However, however is the connecting word that shows the difference. Okay? Unlike the connecting word similarly or uh, another similarity. Okay? However, the differences between these two restaurants are clear. The first contrast is in the price. It's true that McDonald's has lower prices than Burger King. In addition, the food at Burger King is healthier than the food at McDonald's. Okay, so now we mentioned also two differences about the two restaurants, Burger King and McDonald's. Now at the end we have to mention the concluding sentence. In conclusion, it's a good idea to eat at Burger King because the food is healthier and tastier, yet visiting McDonald's won't harm from time to time. So here in the concluding sentence, they are giving us an advice to visit Burger King and to go and eat at Burger King restaurant because its food is more healthier and its prices is lower. Okay. Now, if we want to look at the paragraph, okay, we see here indentation. We left space before the first sentence, which is the topic sentence, and to write the similarities and the differences. And at the end, we continue and we write the concluding sentence. Okay, this is a whole body. It's one body. We start with an indentation with a capital letter and we end with a point. Okay.